Hello, guys. Welcome back to Christianity Reloaded. Today we are talking about continuity with respect to Christian faith. We are talking about how important is continuity. Because if you're a Protestant, the idea of continuity, which is a homespun idea, might look complex for you because Protestants they have all these multiple branches or churches, just multiplying every day. So the issue of continuity, they don't know the idea. And when we talk about continuity, we can equate it with what we call apostolic succession. Because imagine if you're a church like a Protestant church, we know that it started in 15 or 1600. You know what I mean? Martin Luther was the man that kickstarted or started Protestantism. And Jesus Christ, was born 2,000 years ago, and he lived 30 years, or 33 years, or 32 before he died. And there was Christian till 1600. So if you're Protestant, it's difficult for the idea of this continuity to make sense for you because you don't have continuity. But without continuity, we don't have a Christian faith. You know what I mean? Because what it means that if you don't believe in continuity, it means that those that Jesus just preached and Christianity ceases to exist until 1600. You see how this idea of continuity is strange for a Protestant to believe in it. But without it, you don't have faith. You know what I mean? Peace.